What's up, guys? Just got here to the Chain of Lakes, just west of Waupaca, Wisconsin. Christian invited us out to come clean up. So what's going on today?
Well, we're just out here to help give back a little bit to the Chain of Lakes, doing a little cleanup around the areas to help people make more aware of, just if you see something in the water, pick it up.
Make it safe and better environment for everyone to hang out and swim and enjoy the summer. Long time best friends since 5th grade.
Oh, you told me that, yeah.
Yep.
That's cool. Nice hats, by the way. I love them.
Yeah.
Zach over here also. Tracy too. Also, thanks to Becker Marine for donating the pontoon today for us to get out and clean up trash. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
First item of the day, a hat. There you go.
Rose Bowl.
Wisconsin Rose Bowl hat. Would you look at that?
Check it out.
1994. You got a little spider on
A little spider on it too. Yeah, there's a spider on it. Do you want the spider on or off it? Off? Okay. Oh, nice catch. Nice catch. Nice restaurant there. Just got out to a first spot here.
Party spot of the chain. A lot of people back their boats up in here, bachelor parties, bachelorette parties, just people out enjoying the day. And things can get a little rowdy sometimes and not paying attention, or some bottles get thrown back and forth, tossed in the water. You just never know what's going to happen. Throwing a football around, wedding rings end up in the water.
Ouch.
I mean, this is just a really good spot to start and pick up what we can.
There you go. Thanks. Something. Plastic. Here, can. Yeah, I got down to like 35 feet under the raft as I kept going down. You see it? Come on, it swam right underneath you. Choo choo. Good job, everybody. Yeah. Got a plastic chair here, plastic stakes, this big white board that's holding everything right here. A lot of aluminum, plastic, tire, some balls over there.
Bottles.
Broken beer
You don't
bottles.
want to step on those.
Nope. Your rusty chair, that was up in the beach area. Bunch of random stuff here. Swim goggles, lures, a hammer, frisbee golf disc, and a lighter in memory of Bob Welch, who we were doing this for today.
Thank you, everybody that was involved. Just keep pushing to keep the waterways cleaner. Each time you go out, just look for something to pick up.
This only took us a little bit of time, and mostly on the shore though.
Once again, a huge thanks to Becker Marine for allowing us to use their pontoon boat to help clean up the Chain of Lakes. Another huge thanks to Christian Penney for his ambition and for getting me out there to help him clean up the Chain of Lakes along with his friends. As you go out to enjoy the waterways this summer, please remember to bring all litter and trash out with you that you brought in. If you see litter in the water or on the banks when you're out there enjoying the waterways, please take a minute to clean it up and make it a better place for everyone else to enjoy. Thank you.